Hi, this is Peter, and I'm here to tell you all about this horrifying creature. First, this is obviously an artist's rendering of the creature itself. As you can see here, this creature is horrifying to look at. In fact, those who get up close either spontaneously combust or run in fear, but that's only if the ones who see it are lucky. As you can see, it has a large trunk. This is used for sucking up its victims. It has a large gaping mouth and sad-looking eyes. When seen from a distance, the effect is not too bad. However, the sad eyes often lead people in, and that is when they fall victim to the Snorfer. Its green color allows it to blend in with most extraterrestrial planets. However, it is not wise to approach it in any way. You can tell usually when you are coming upon one. You will hear some shifting in nearby grass, and if you smell the scent of citrus, meaning oranges, limes, lemons, then you should cut and run.